The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Friday, the 16th of July. I'm James Spann. We're expecting a number of showers and thunderstorms over the weekend, but not a washout. The sun out at times. Highs should be in the 80s. Let's take a look at things. We have broad troughing north and west of the state. That will provide some dynamic support for occasional rounds of showers and thunderstorms over the next several days. There's the visible satellite view this afternoon after a cloudy start. The sun is out over much of the state. We've got lots of rain over the southwestern counties of the state, a lot of convection over Mississippi. That was the radar composite around 2:15. And where you see the dry conditions over the northern two-thirds of the state, that will likely fill in with developing showers and thunderstorms over the next several hours. Temperatures are back in the 80s today. Birmingham at 86, 87 for Anniston and Tuscaloosa, below average for mid-July. There's the watch warning map across the country. Got flash flood watches from parts of Indiana and Ohio to New York. Flash flood watches back in the southwest for the monsoons, Arizona, New Mexico. And excessive heat warnings in effect now for parts of Idaho and Montana. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of this afternoon and tonight. We have a marginal risk from Little Rock up to Maine. Also a risk of severe storms over the western high plains. Tomorrow, marginal risks swell to the north. And day 3, which is Sunday. No organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The south is relatively wet. In Alabama, the amount's mostly between 1 and 2 inches between now and Friday morning of next week. However, your number could vary. And the tropics, just as quiet as could be. Nothing in the short term, nothing out to 5 days. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, broad troughing just west of the state, and we're expecting a day with a mixture of clouds and sunshine and scattered to numerous showers and storms. Most of them tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, highs mid-80s. Same thing on Sunday. The chance of any one spot getting wet both days, about 60 to 70%. But understand, again, the sun's going to be out at times, and this will not be a washout kind of situation, not an all-day rain. Monday, same thing, a number of showers and thunderstorms around, a lot of clouds with low 80s. Not much change on Tuesday. And quite frankly, Wednesday, again, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms. Same thing Thursday. Highs will stay in the 80s. And a week from today, this is Friday, July 23rd, upper low north of Maine. At a 594 upper high across the Great Plains states. And again, for us, a very moist air mass. And we'll have scattered to numerous showers and storms around. The bottom line is things are just not going to change much for the next 7 days. Let's go out 10 days. This is Monday, July 26th. We've got an upper high nosing in here from the west. And again, that looks fairly quiet. But even with that being the case, there'll be a chance of at least scattered showers and storms. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble. The mean around 3 inches between now and the 1st of August. Daytime highs mostly 80s, lows around 70 for the next 10 days. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for July 24th through July 30th. And for the first time in a while, if this works out, temperatures could be a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. My next video posted here by 6 o'clock Monday morning. We'll have notes on the blog if you can see us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.